With tax time rolling around again, a lot of people want to know, how do taxes work in the United States? We've all heard the line, taxes go towards things like fixing our streets. And then we all complain when there's too many potholes. But how do taxes really work in the United States? I did a little research, and in the United States, taxes are collected by the federal government, state government, and local government to fund various public services and programs. So, things like fixing potholes, but not just that. Individuals in the US are required to pay federal income tax based on their taxable income, which is calculated by subtracting tax deductions and credits from their total income. The tax rate is progressive, which means that individuals with higher taxable income pay a higher tax rate. In theory, we all know how that goes. In addition to federal income tax, some states and localities also impose their own income tax. Sales tax, property tax, and excise tax are other examples of taxes in the US. Employers are required to withhold federal and state taxes from their employees' paychecks, and individuals may make estimated tax payments throughout the year. Individuals and businesses must file a tax return annually to report their taxable income and pay any taxes owed. The US tax system is complex, and individuals and businesses may seek out assistance from tax professionals or use tax software to prepare and file their returns. So I bet you're wondering, with all of the complexity that goes into it and the lack of government employees, do you really have to pay taxes? The answer is yes. In the US, paying taxes is legally required. Failure to pay taxes can result in penalties, interest, charges, and in extreme cases, criminal prosecution. As mentioned, the government uses taxes to fund various public services and programs, such as national defense, infrastructure, education, and social welfare programs. While paying taxes may be seen as a burden, it is a fundamental aspect of civic responsibility, and it helps ensure that society has the resources necessary to provide essential services and support for the common good. You can make tax time less painful as an entrepreneur with QuickBooks. I use QuickBooks Simple Start throughout the year to help me invoice clients, track expenses and income, as well as mileage. Come March, I have no worries because all of that information that I've been recording throughout the year can automatically be transferred to TurboTax. Once I'm in TurboTax, I can choose to do it myself, which I did for about 4 years, or I can have someone do it for me and maximize my deductions. And I have good news. When you use my link in the description, you get 30% off of QuickBooks Online for the first 6 months. That's it for this video, my lovely. Until next time.